What's up, guys? If your Verizon router is blinking white and the internet's not working, don't panic. Here's exactly what that light means and the simple steps to fix it fast. A blinking white light usually means the router is starting up or trying to connect to the internet. If it stops after a minute, that's normal. But if it keeps blinking non-stop, that means something's wrong. Here is how to fix it. First, check the cables. Make sure the power and internet cables are plugged in nice and tight. Even a loose wire can cause that light to blink forever. Next, do the classic reboot. Unplug the router, wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. That quick restart fixes most problems. Still blinking? Then it's time for a reset. On the back of the router, you will find a reset button. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the light changes. Remember, this wipes the settings, so the Wi-Fi name and password will need to be set up again. If none of these tricks work, it could be a hardware issue or a Verizon outage. At that point, the best move is to contact Verizon support or schedule a technician visit. And that's it. Now you know what the blinking white light means and how to fix it. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick fixes, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching.